Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson which is how to transfer from algebraic form to polar form. Now look here about this, we have x plus yi which is our algebraic form. If we'd like to draw it, it will be x for the real and y for the imaginary. Now for example, if we have x as a value, for example 3, so we have to draw 3 like this way. Then when we finish at 3 points, then we go up with y, for example 2. At the end here, this point is equal what? X plus yi. Now look here from the origin point up to the end, this line, blue line, which is the r, which called the absolute value or the modulus of the complex number. Okay, this line makes an angle with the what? With this real line. This angle is called what? The argument of the complex number. Okay, here we have known from before that the sine of this angle equal what? The opposite over the hypotenuse, which is y over r. Okay, cosine angle equal the adjacent, which is equal x over the hypotenuse, which is r. Okay, look here. From this rule, we can get what? X equal r cosine angle. This one. Okay. Now, look at the from this rule, we can find y equal sine theta multiplied by r. Okay. Now, if we like to remove this x and put its value, which is r cosine angle. Okay. Now, remove y and put r sine angle. Then, what we have? R cosine angle plus IR sine angle. Take r as a common factor. Okay. Then we have r and cosine angle plus I sine angle. We can write this one by this form. X plus yi has modulus and angle. We will use this rule for the next lesson, not now, okay? But you have to memorize it for the next lesson. Okay. Now look about how to convert from algebraic form to polar form. If we have any algebraic form and we would like to find r equal what? X squared plus y squared under the square root. Right. Angle equal what? The tan inverse of y divided by x. Okay, now we will understand it deeply in the following examples. Now he said he transferred the following algebraic form to the polar form. We have this algebraic form 3 plus 4i. You would like to transfer it to be r and angle. This is r and angle. Okay, look at the steps. R equal, as we know, square root x squared plus y squared. X is what? X is the real part of the algebraic, which hasn't I. So take it with its sign. We have here 3. 3 square, it will be 9. Okay. What is the y? Y is the imaginary part, which is what with I, which is multiplied with I. So here 4 multiply itself, it will be 16. 16 plus 9, it will be 25. 25 under the root, it will be what? 5. Okay, let's find the angle. Angle it will equal tan inverse of y over x. We have known from before that y equal 4 and x is 3. Okay, 4 over 3, it will be 1.33. Now go to the calculator and find what is the tan inverse of the 1.3. It will be 53.1. So now, from algebraic form, 3 plus 4i, but in polar form, it will be r, which is 5, and angle, which is 53.1. Okay, look at this example, 3 minus 4i. R, it will be equal x squared, which is 3 squared, 9, y, which is minus 4, be careful, minus 4, square, which is 16, 16 and 9, it will be 25, square root of 25, it will be 5. Okay, tan inverse y over x to find the angle, and y is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 over 3, it will be minus 1.33. Go to the calculator and calculate it, it will be minus 5.4. Minus 5, I mean minus 53.1. Be careful here. If we have x value opposite and y value is negative, directly the angle it will be 360 minus this angle. This is a rule. Okay, then the angle, it will be 306.9. So here remove r, it will be 5 as we found from before, and angle, it will be 306. Okay, look about this case. Now we have x is negative value and y is positive value. X r, it will be x squared, which is minus 3 squared, which is 9, and y, it will be 4 squared, which is 16. 16 plus 9, it will be 25. Under the root square, it will be 5. But the angle equal tan inverse y over x. Y is 4 and x is minus 3. It will be minus 1.33. By the calculator, it will be minus 53.1. Okay. If we have x a negative value and y positive value, directly make 180 minus 53.1. This is the rules. Okay, then the angle, it will be 126.9. Okay, then it will be what? R5 and angle 126.9. Look at this example. If we have x negative value and y also negative value, r equal square root x square plus y square. X is what? Minus 3 square. And y is minus 4. Minus 3 square, it will be 9, and minus 4 square, it will be 16. 16 plus 9, it will be 5. The angle equal tan inverse y over x. Y is minus 4 and x minus 3. Tan inverse of them, it will be 53.9.1. Be careful here. If we have x negative and y negative, directly take 180 plus this angle. It will be 233.1. Now we have got all cases when the x and y, both of them positive. Here when x positive and y negative, and here x negative and y positive, and here both of them are negative. Just which one will be different? The angle. So you have to be careful. Only the angle will be different. That's it. So if there is any question or any exercise that which is difficult of you and you want to solve it, just put it down in the comment and we will discuss it inshallah for the next lesson. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it, to share it between your friends, and goodbye.